The question I get asked most often is about sauces. People want to know why everyone raves about them. They're not easy to make. Usually it results in a big mess and they don't taste good. Well, it's a good question. But here's the thing. Sauces have a bad rap and they cause a lot of anxiety. Hi everyone, I'm Adeline, and in this brief video, I'm going to show you one technique that will allow you to make a lot of different sauces. But before we start, I'm going to ask you to sign up below, and that way you'll be notified when there are more videos about cooking, okay? It all starts with learning how to make a roux. And a roux is really simple. It's butter that's melted in a pan. You then add flour. You mix it all up and it becomes a paste. And in that paste, if you add milk, you're going to get a white sauce, or as it's called in French, a béchamel. And the béchamel, or the white sauce, is the base to dishes like mac and cheese, creamed vegetables, scalloped potatoes, cauliflower au gratin, and the base for a lot of different soups, creamed soups. On the other hand, if instead of adding the milk, you add broth, what you're going to get is something called a sauce veloutée. And that's the base for making chicken pot pie, gravies, different types of soups that could be vegetable or meats. And it's also the base for sauces that can be flavored differently and used on seared meats or on vegetables. It's really simple. I know it doesn't sound it if you're, not familiar with making a roux, but trust me, it's really simple and there is so much you can do from this one technique. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. If you have any questions, just write them down in the comments and I'll respond. I'll give you answers. Okay? If you like the video, share it with your friends and, hit the like button that's next to it. And I'll see you soon with more answers to your questions. Okay? Thank you.